friends, welcome back to Lakisha Loves to Plan. Today I am using this kit from Planner Sister Stickers, some date cards, date stickers, and this beautiful doll from the CUTENESS boutique. And I actually ordered a nice haul of dolls, so if you are interested in getting these beautiful dolls, visit the CUTENESS boutique on Etsy, and that's BOWTIQUE, and you can use Lakisha 20 for a whopping 20% off. Isn't that cool? And these dolls are very gorgeous. Trika did an amazing job, and it's my new favorite shop to get my dolls, so I'm so excited to use this doll. I have a couple pieces of washi here, and I have an old Chrissy Ann Designs book that I'm going to be using for my dates. So happy new year, everyone. This is my first video of 2022 decorating my new passion planner. I have the Eye of the Tiger version. It's red, it's gorgeous. If you are interested in purchasing this planner and some other things from passionplanner.com, be sure to visit them and use my code Lakisha10 for 10% off anything you'd like. And I just want to thank you if you've already done that. So far I've had about 58 people use my code on Passion Planner, and so I want you to keep on using that code and get your discounts and let them know that I am doing my job as a PR person as well. So right now I'm going to just cover up the dates here because I'm going to be putting the little italicized days of the week up there, and then I'm also going to cover this part at the bottom, and I'm going to do some more covering with the washi, and then I'm going to get started. How is your new year going? I hope it's going really well. Mine is starting off really positive so far. It is snowing outside right now. We got hit with a really big snowstorm, and it's actually so beautiful. I haven't seen a snowstorm like this in years, so to see everything blanketed with the white snow is beautiful, but I know like coming out of this it's gonna get nasty and ugly, so I did take some pictures of the snow to capture the beauty so far. Also in the new year, I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing a lot this week with setup, helping others set up for the year 2022 and setting up for the year 2022 myself, including doing a lot of reflecting and planning in terms of what goals I want to accomplish this year. January, it's like a reset month for me, where I really reset my priorities. I think about like all the things that I want to do and the things that I want to continue to do, and then I set strategic plans. I usually redo my time map, which is like my hour to hour plan each day. Now honestly, I don't follow the plan to a T, but having this hour to hour plan really helps me inventory how I use my time. And so before I even go to this hour by hour plan, I like pull myself all the way back out and say, okay, Lakisha, like, what do you really want to do this week? Not this week, this year. What do you want to do this year? And one of the things I want to do is really go to Disney World, and that's why I'm using this Planner Sister Sticker Disney World kit. They have a shop on Etsy as well. These kits are about $6.50 for the kit, and this kit I've had for a while, so I just want to use it because I don't like keeping things in my stash too long. I like to rotate. But I want to go to Disneyland. Did I say Disney World? I want to go to Disneyland in Anaheim, California. My plan is to go in March with Go Wild. So I've been anticipating this trip for 2 years because it's been on hold because of the coronavirus. So I'm excited to get there and see planner friends, meet new friends, just be around people. We live a life of a bit of isolation right now, so it's going to be nice to see people, and of course you know, feeling safe, wearing a mask every day is the goal. But I have just decided, y'all, I have just decided that, you know what, I cannot stop living life because of COVID. I actually got COVID over the break. My whole family got COVID over the break. It was the Omicron variant, so we all were sick about 2 or 3 days tops. And thank goodness we're not sick anymore. But after going through that and the whole family's down and stuff, I said, you know what, we cannot let this beat us. Of course we have to be safe. I am a vaccine component, advocate. I feel like anything you could do to protect yourself and your family is just so important. So my whole family is vaccinated, and but I just don't want to live a life of fear. I want to go into 2022 with a positive attitude and a positive outlook that one day we can put this behind us and we can really move forward as people, as a community. So that is definitely a hope of mine and a goal of mine in 2022. So I'm going to be sharing my goals with you for the next couple minutes, and share your goals with me. Like, what are some things that you plan on doing, or what are some goals that you have this year in 2022? If you are okay with it, write it in the comments and just inspire other people with your goals. I have my same goals. I have some goals that just repeat every year, like, of course, my health, keeping my health up, eating better, exercising more, and it's more specific than that because you have to get really specific. Like, actually, my exercise goal is to do cardio and toning 30 minutes 3 times a week every week. So that's just an example of how detailed I like to get with my goals, because if I don't get that detailed, honestly, it never happens. Another goal of mine is to finish school. I have been in school way too long. It has been dragging, and so I really want to make school a priority. My new graduation date is April 30th, and I'm going to strive really hard to be finished by then. So I'm really excited about making that like one of my high priority goals, is to finish school. And then another high priority goal for me is one that carries on year after year, and that's just to make sure my money is straight, save, reduce debt. And this year I plan on saving for another property. That is like something I want to do for myself as a reward for graduating from school. I want to own another property. So I have been looking at other properties. I've been talking to realtors and looking at videos. So I'm really excited about the possibility of owning a second property, and I am going to continue to work on that. I have a family member who owns property that I can lean on as well, which is definitely nice. So taking a step away from my goals, I really love this layout. This layout is not it's not laid out with a bunch of stickers everywhere. I like the white. I think the white background complements this particular layout, and I'm going to highlight that really soft blue that's in the layout, and that's also on the doll here on her jeans with this my first tip-in of the year with these butterflies. Also, this is like an ice blue like my nails, and it's snowing, so it just feels also wintry to me. I know it's weird, but it does because of the color. So anyway, those are just some of the goals. I'm going to get back on here and share with you like how I use the other parts of the passion planner. My roadmap, passion planner has a roadmap that really helps guide you with what you want to do, not just now but in your lifetime. So that is going to be a whole separate video. I'm also waiting on a kit to come in for my monthly, so I didn't do my January monthly yet. I'll probably be doing the January monthly late, and use that when I get that. So this cupcake came from vinvonalley.com. So cute. And I want to put that here to finish out this layout. And I'm going to use this pen from the Cuteness Boutique as well. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Stay tuned because I'm going to be talking more about starting the new year with my plans and everything I plan on doing. So excited. If you like this layout, stick around, click that like button, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Until next time, bye guys.